This Civic strut's thickness can fit between the Prelude hood and fender. Buy this strut mounting bracket. Buy this knuckle MA Mal 16. Buy this joint sleeve M5D 6mm 10mm. Make 3 cuts to the mounting bracket. First cut. Second cut. Third cut. Drill 2 holes for the M6 bolts. Mark the position and size. Punch before drilling. Ready to drill. Always drill from small size to big. Done. Now assemble the knuckle and the mounting bracket. 6.4mm washer. Little bit of thread locker. Tighten by screwdriver. Clean the extra thread locker. Tape to prevent scratches or damages. Install your M6 bolt. Carefully close the hood. Make sure it is not touching the hood. It is easier to check with a light inside. This is the strut. We don't need this. We also don't need this extension, otherwise it is too long. Now ready to install. A rubber to prevent scratches or damages. Remove the M6 bolt. This is the mounting bracket, comes with the Civic struts. Install the M6 nut to extend the length. Tighten it. Ready to install. This has to be very tight. Otherwise the bracket will move and the strut hits the hood and fender. Strongly recommend you to tap new threads and use new bolt. Now slowly, carefully test it. Install the other side if it is good. The Prelude hood is heavy. You need the strut clamp to hold if the wind is strong or the hood needs to be opened for a long time. Done. Prelude.